Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host, Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm standing inside the 2021 Zinger 290KB. This is a floor plan that is built with families in mind. It has this slide over here that you see. I'm standing inside our main living space where we've kind of combined our kitchen and our entertainment. So we have a jackknife sofa, so that'll flatten out and turn into a bed that's directly across from our entertainment center, which has a fireplace down below, a built-in sound bar, and some storage up above. Our flat screen TV mounting location is right there in the center, so you can put the TV in of your choice. The kitchen in the Zinger is a modestly equipped kitchen. There is a decent amount of counter space thanks to the glass top on the 3-burner stove that folds back to reveal those 3 burners. And we have sink covers here that reveal a dual basin stainless steel sink with a nice high faucet with an extendable wand on there so that we can wash off our pots and pans with ease. There's storage all around in the form of cabinetry that's nice and deep with those good glass fronts on there, and some cabinetry down below, as well as some drawers on ball bearing drawer glides. We got a microwave up top, as well as a Norcoal. This is a standard DC refrigerator that we've got going on. So not the gas electric, just straight electric, but it'll run off your battery system when you're going down the road. The booth dinette in here I think is really cool. It's one of the big U-shaped dinettes that makes it easy for the whole family to get up at. And this table drops down and the cushions slide out to form a bed. Now me at 6'3", I can actually sleep on that booth dinette, which is kind of a cool feature. Pushing back towards the back of the camper, we come to our bathroom. Bathroom features foot flush toilet, a nice shower surround, medicine cabinet, and a little bit of storage, as well as a plug or two. And directly across from the bathroom, we have a bit of a pantry space or a storage spot that could be used for a multitude of things. It's nice and deep. And then in the very back of the camper, we have the bunk house. What's cool about this is an excellent use of space, especially if you have small kids. Each of these bunks has a 300-pound load capacity. They've done some neat stuff like put in USB charging ports as well as plugs up high on the wall. And then down low, we have a couch. Now this couch is a jackknife that has a couple of cup holders right in the middle of it. And below that, like I said, jackknife, so it lays flat like a bed. And below that, we've got another trundle, so we can sleep yet another person back here. This couch is directly across from a chest of drawer with TV hookups up above. So the kids kind of have their own entertainment center back here if they need it. They could put a small flat screen back here so I can see as mom and dad are watching a movie. Kids could be back here playing some games. That's a pretty slick feature. Emergency exit window is featured back here as well. Pushing up towards the front of the camper, we're going to hit our main bedroom. And the main bedroom itself has a sliding door that separates it from the rest of the trailer. We have a decent sized queen bed here. On either side of it, we've got some spots to set down, basically like a nightstand that covers up our pass-through storage out front. And then we've got closets that hang on either side and some shelving up above. They made sure to put power on either side of the bed just to make sure that you have a place to plug up your phone at the end of the evening. And if you did want to put up a TV in here, you could. We've got all the hookups and a spot to mount it right there in the corner. Before we get done with this, I want to pop outside and check out one more cool feature. Let's jump out there now. Outside on the 290KB, we have a great little outside kitchen. It's got some storage space, a small sink, a 2-burner stove, and a little electric refrigerator. This is from Hot Point right here. Enough to hold a few cold beverages and maybe some cold snacks. So that's a pretty nice feature when you're hanging out outside at the end of the day. You don't have to tromp in and out. You guys, I hope you really enjoyed this quick tour of the 290KB. Be sure to subscribe and tune in to more on our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy camping.